Do you have any idea what we're doing here today?
I have a little idea.
I have no idea why I'm here today.
Heard something about a quiz. Not really sure what that's about.
You ready for a pop quiz?
I'm not even supposed to be here today.
I've never have been, so we'll see if today's any different.
No.
That's good.
Would you consider yourself a passionate person?
Yeah, I think I'm a totally passionate person.
I'm pretty passionate, I'd say.
Passionate person when it comes to doing couch potato stuff like that absolutely passionate.
I have some passion.
And tidying up, this is also one of my passions.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would say I'm passionate. Just depends on the topic.
Lots of different passions and interests, so yeah, for sure.
It depends. On like certain things, and on other things, I'm not passionate.
In certain ways, I think I'm passionate about
So, maybe.
food, because I'm always hungry.
Let's just say passion is my middle name.
What's your idea of relaxing?
My idea of relaxing would be reading a book on the beach.
I should read more. Let's read at the beach.
Reading at the beach.
Get to be taken away on an adventure.
Reading at the beach, I love doing that. That will I like it.
I would imagine to be the most relaxing.
Reading a book on the beach, that's not something I haven't read in a really long time. Like books, I read like emails and things that I have to read, road signs, that's important.
Probably Harry Potter, I guess. No. Maybe one of the Dan Brown books. I haven't read the new one yet.
I'd like a board game night. I like games.
Probably for like daily, like just go to the park and get some time to relax and just chilling at the park.
Favorite game is maybe Scrabble. I like some Scrabble.
Of all of the options, reading on the beach, that sounds like a relaxing thing to do.
Yep.
Making up words.
Maybe
Your mama. YIRMUMAH. You can Google that.
Oh, cool. Okay.
Listening to music, because when you're listening to music, you can do the other things at the same time.
Definitely listening to music. That's definitely something I would do.
I think that's clever and smart.
I like Spanish music though. I like Spanish trap music. So I'm going to a Bad Bunny concert soon. So yeah.
What's your spirit animal?
Oh man, that's tough. Spirit animal.
Moose isn't an option?
Can't pick a llama?
An eagle, because it's majestic.
Maybe an eagle. I'm just constantly moving around.
I am an eagle.
I kind of want to change my spirit animal.
I think that my spirit animal would be an elephant.
Oh wait, elephants are my favorite animal. That was stupid. Okay.
I guess I'd have to pick a dinosaur.
Moose is closest to a dinosaur.
Dinosaurs are rad.
I feel like if my spirit animal was a dinosaur, though, like I haven't done a very good job of maintaining it since they're all extinct. So
Probably a dolphin.
I think it's a dolphin because they just look so happy and cute.
But I feel that would be the best thing. Who wouldn't want to like classically be riding a T-Rex? So like, I mean, that's really how much fun would that be? So
I think that they seem really nice and friendly, and whenever I see them interacting with other elephants, usually it's a nice interaction. So they seem friendly, and I think it'd be a good time to be an elephant.
And the little baby ones are so cute. Have you ever seen like them running? It's great.
kind of domesticated dinosaurs.
Because I like the water. I guess everybody likes water.
I mean,
And I have a blowhole. I make really annoying sounds.
And what does that sound like?
what dinosaur am I trying to impersonate here right now?
Something like that, maybe?
That was my trunk.
Hair. I don't know what kind of noise they make. I want peanuts.
You gotta do the little arms, like.
Or like, whatever. You know what I'm talking about.
No.
More of a snake than a dinosaur, but it had claws.
Caca!
I don't want to see my face doing that.
Why do I make a fool of myself?
Is that what an eagle does? Good.
I'm having a blast.
Yeah.
Wonderful, wonderful.
What's your favorite season?
I'm assuming you don't mean like salt and pepper seasonings, so
Summer is pretty much where I live and breathe. I get to do everything I want to do outdoors and just kind of be able to relax.
It's summer. That is not a question at all.
Man.
I mean, fall obviously is the best season.
Fall.
Fall.
Fall, because I love fall clothing. I love fall colors. And I'm a big fan of pie.
Because I like the crispness.
It is not freezing cold and not brutally hot.
I like the food,
Pie's awesome.
the atmosphere, the clothing you wear.
Because I like flannels.
The temperature is generally medium. Not too hot, not too cold.
I just recently saw the seasons change, so that was pretty cool and definitely fall.
I like Halloween.
What isn't great about fall?
So at the end of summer, you know, you have fall, but that basically just is like the oncoming of winter, so I don't like that.
We have beautiful colors, we have sweaters and leggings and boots and pumpkins and apples and scary things like Halloween, fall.
Yeah, that'd be why.
Wait, say that again.
I like winter. Hockey's my favorite sport.
I hate being cold.
Skating on that ice, eating snowballs.
Like around spring, you know, just raining, so I also don't like that. So
Oh, and apples. I like apples. How do you like dem apples?
Oh boy.
You're building a birdhouse. Which tool do you need the most?
I think a hammer. I think if I tried to, I would go with pencil, but I don't know that I would be. I think I would start drawing a birdhouse and then it would just turn out like garbage. So if I at least had a hammer, then I could just find some random materials laying around and like hammer something out. A bird could live in there, probably.
Oh, that's tough.
If I were to build a birdhouse, I would need a pencil.
Take the hammer.
If I was building a birdcage, I would definitely use a hammer. I could just make a bunch of things and just hit them into the right shape and potentially try to build something.
I'm not good in stuff like this at all.
As Abraham Lincoln once said, give me 6 hours to chop down a cherry tree and I'll spend 4 sharpening the axe.
Power saw.
I will spend 4 hours making the perfect diagram, then pay someone else to build it.
My dad says I'm not allowed to use power tools, but I would really like to use the power saw.
I take the hammer.
I'm thinking pencil. I want to draw out what I'm doing first. Make sure the birds are gonna love their new home.
So how would you chop the wood with a pencil?
Probably a hammer, logically, because you could buy pre-cut pieces of wood, and then just hope it all goes together.
Draw twice, cut once, I think is the saying, right?
Yeah, I have a bird. I did not build this cage.
Like the saw would be helpful, but like you still have to hammer something in. Like pencil is fine for measuring, but you still have to build it. Same with tape measure.
My bird's name's Yeti. He's a blue Indian ringneck, and he bites me a lot.
we're just gonna start hacking away. We're going with the power saw. Just have at it and see what I come up with. I mean, birds aren't picky.
So hammer. Final answer.
The quiz is done. Results are in. We've identified your passion.
Oh man.
Drum roll, please. You're a lifestyle enthusiast.
Living the life.
I love it. I would like to do like lifestyle stuff. That's fun. I have a lot of interests that are lifestyle-y.
Lifestyle it is.
I'd like to say I'm a creator.
You're a musician.
Yeah, that's probably accurate.
I just love music. I'm really bad at singing. I don't play an instrument except of the triangle, but yeah, music is good.
I'm not a talented musician. Like I can't play instruments, but I definitely like to listen to music.
But yeah, music's like good passion. Yeah.
That's what I was doing before you guys interrupted me, by the way.
Wow.
I like to feel like I'm a modern day bohemian dude. I don't know.
What am I?
You're a gamer.
Oh, I'm not sure that's my passion. I am not a gamer. I have played games. That's a surprising result.
I am not good at video games because I just like to walk around and look at things in the video games.
I feel like I've failed this test.
Wow, look at this wall. Look at all this texture. Then I get killed.
I'm curious what the other passions were.
I'm a terrible gamer.
You're into active living.
It's true.
That is incredibly accurate.
That's it.
As I am an eagle, I'm pretty active.
Yeah, I would say so. Yeah, for sure. Like, I think most of my passions are towards doing something more physical or outdoors. And I even know some of my friends, I have to kind of drag them out of their houses to get them to come out and do something with me. But that's usually my favorite thing, is to be outside and kind of relaxing and hanging with friends.
What?
I could be passionate about gaming.
What was the question again?